Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be learning how to make a diaper cover. What you're going to need is your hook, your yarn, 2 buttons or 1 button is all up to you. And without further ado, let's get into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay guys, I don't know where my audio went, but for round 2 you're going to do double crochets. So you're going to do 44 double crochets going across. Round 3 you're going to do another row of single crochets, which is 44 single crochets across, and then you're going to chain 1, fasten off, and then move on to the next round. Okay, so after you do a row of double crochets, you're going to do another row of single crochets, and then you're going to fasten off, and I'm going to show you what you do next. But after that, the waistband part will be done. Okay guys, so after you fastened off, and this is what it should look like. This is what you have: one row of single crochet, double crochet, and then another single crochet row. Next, you're going to count 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. On the 12th stitch is where you're going to read into the yarn. Now you're going to put your double crochet in here. And you're going to double crochet all the way down until you, but you're going to leave 11 stitches on the other end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So then that's what you're going to do. You're going to leave 11 for the other side. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got a few more to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can always count to make sure you have 11 on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you're going to chain your 1, turn your work. You're going to increase in the first row, which is going to be 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then you're going to double crochet all the way down. And then when you get to the last one, you're going to increase again. Now that we're at the last double crochet on this side, we're going to increase one more time, which is going to be 2 double crochets. Okay guys, so after your first increase row, you're going to do 3 rows of double crochet. I'll come back once I'm done, and you come back when you're done with your 3 rows of just straight double crochets. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to do your first decrease. So what you're going to do is double crochet, pull through 2, double crochet again, pull through 2, pull through the rest of it. And then you're going to double crochet all the way down. And then you're going to decrease again once you get to the last stitch. Now you're at the last 2, so you're gonna yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and then you're gonna pull through all of them. And that is your first decrease row. So we're going to decrease one more time, and then I'll show you what to do next. So once again, we're gonna yarn over, pull up, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through all of them. And you're gonna go down and do the same thing. For the next row, we're gonna decrease again. So that was 3 decreases. This is the first one, the second one, and we're gonna decrease one more time. And now that we're at the last 2 stitches, we're gonna decrease one more time. And this is what it should be looking like. As you can see, it's starting to get that little curve. And now we're just gonna work our way back up. And I'll show you guys what to do next. So for the next row, you're gonna decrease one more time. And then after that, you're gonna do just 8 rows of double crochets. So come back when you have 8 rows of double crochets. So this is what 2 out of the 8 rows is looking like, and we're going to continue going. Okay, so now that you have 8 rows, what you're going to do is, this is how it looks. Open, as you can see, and now you're going to just fold it up. You fastened off. You can tuck the strings later, and then you're gonna fold it up to where you like it, nice and neat. It's supposed to be space here because we decreased. And then you're going to take this, you're gonna fold it over, take this one, fold it over, and then you're going to be attaching your buttons. This is what it should look like without the buttons. Nice and cute. And then you can put your buttons right here, right here. I will go get the buttons, attach them, and show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna be tucking the strings, because this is really for tutorial purposes, so. But I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is a finished project. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. For the person who asked me for this tutorial, the people, actually I should say, hopefully you understand what I said and can follow this tutorial easily. This is the back. This is the front. You can add another bow here. You add a little decoration, whatever you would like. But I think this is very cute. And stay tuned for the next video.